Hello, welcome to my home lab. This new video, I want to install Invoke Ai. Invoke Ai is used to create images from text. The first step is to go to website invoke.com and install it. Here, right? And we go to platform. Community edition, that's the free version. Click on it. And we have a new page, download Invoke Community Edition. We have for Windows, Mac or Linux. And you see you have some information here. Click on download Windows. We open the directory, save it. We wait a little bit, it's a small file. You see it's finished. Now we go to the file and run it. Save it, yes. It can take some time. Wait a little bit, and we have it here. We cannot find it because it's not installed. Installed, yes. Press install. You select the directory. In my case, it's okay. See it here. Invoke AI image creator. You can select it and you can save it if you want. For me, it's okay. Next, the version. You select the stable 5.6.2. Next, the GPU version, NVIDIA 3000 or above, AMD or another one. We select NVIDIA. Next, the review, install it, stable version, and the NVIDIA 3000 GPU version. Install. This can take some time. I'm going to speed up the video and come back when everything is okay. The install is finished. You click finished. Yes. I'll come back. Now launch. So we run the program. Again, it needs to install some things. So again, we speed up the video and come back when everything is ready. See you in a minute. And voila, Invoke is installed and we are inside the canvas. See here what's new. Close that. See here, Invoke Community Edition. Now we can create our first AI image. I'm going to quickly show you some things. Here on the side we have canvas, that's this one. Then we have upscaling, that's maybe for later video. Workflows, models, that's important because you see it here. No models installed. Install models with the models tab. That's this one here. The queue, that's the progress. Here are coming all the images you create. You have also some settings. Support videos. So if you want to learn some things, you can do it here. And here you have some information. What's new in Invoke 5.6.2. See it here. We go back to the canvas. Here we have prompt, choose prompt. You can select it here, anime, concept, environment art, illustration, photography, black and white, landscape, and you can see that. You have a positive prompt. You're going to see that later in this video. Negative, what kind of image we're going to create, the width and the height. Here it's 512, 512, aspect 1 to 1. You can see that here, 16.9, 3, 3.2. We have also advanced here, generation, and advanced. See here. But for now, you can close that all. We don't need that. Go to the models tab. And you see here the models. The first thing we need to do is to juggernaut. That's a very good one and easy one. See it? DXL. Dream Shaper is also good and from the same family as the XL. See it here. Architecture. Later we're going to install Flux, but that's for the next video because Flux is more quality. So for now we select Juggernaut. We go here, see the plus sign, click on it and installing model. That's going to take some time. I'm going to speed up again and come back when everything is downloaded. After a couple of minutes, the download is complete and you see here we have two models, Juggernaut and the VEE. You can go to a browser and see models. See here, Juggernaut. That's the first model. VEE is the second model. Back to the main page. Now we can go to the canvas and create our first image. You see, we have now 1024 by 1024 and the generation is Juggernaut XL version 9. It's already selected. You can see here, you can select that, but we only have one, so it's this one. The first thing is to choose photography, general, or portrait, or studio lighting. You can select whatever you want. Now we choose general. For the prompt, we're going to use ChatGPT because at first it's quite difficult to create a very good prompt. We go to ChatGPT and see you in a minute. We use ChatGPT to create the prompts. Copy some text, create a positive prompt and a negative prompt for Invoke Ai, text to image, a realistic photo of a military humanoid robot from the year 2050, battle gear, camouflage colors. And the prompt is created. First, the positive. And then the negative. First, we select the positive prompt and go to Invoke Ai. Now we are back in Invoke Ai and paste the positive prompt. Bigger. So the negative prompt. Make some bigger. Now we go back to ChatGPT and copy the negative prompt. Here until here. Copy it. Go back to Invoke Ai and paste it in the negative prompt. Now we are ready to create some images. We create maybe 10. That can take some time. I'm going to speed up the video and see you in a minute. And images are created. You can see them here. You can go to it. Now we go to Explorer to see where we can find the images. Open Explorer, the directory where Invoke Ai is installed. We have here Outputs. Click on it, Images, and we have here all the images. The last part of the video, we go back to the launcher, shut down Invoke, go back, and you see we have a new version. 5.7.2 is available. Click here to update. You click on it. You see here 5.6.2 is installed and we're going to update. Next. Which version you want to install? Here, stable 5.7.2. Next. The GPU stays the same. Next, the review and install. That's going to take some time. We come back when it's finished. Update is finished, and launch it. And voila, we have the new version. In the next video, we're going to install Flux. Thank you very much and see you later. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.